Hello everyone. Today we will review the green arrow strategy for binary options. It combines precise non-repainting signals with a simple yet effective filter, the stochastic oscillator. Together with the arrow indicator, the system generates numerous trading signals. In this review, we will explain how to use it in real binary options trading. Let us install the green arrow indicator in the MetaTrader 4 terminal. The strategy indicators, as well as our template with all settings, are installed in the standard way. You will find the link to the archive with the indicator and the detailed installation instructions in the description below this video. Now let us review the operating principle and the key settings of this strategy. Green arrow consists of 3 indicators: green arrow, stochastic, and candle time. Each performs its own role within the system. However, the main component is, of course, green arrow. It generates entry signals in the form of arrows. Green arrows below the candle indicate buying call options, while red arrows above the candle indicate buying put options. However, not all signals turn out to be profitable. To improve signal quality, the stochastic oscillator has been added to the green arrow strategy. It is recommended to use only those signals that align with its readings. Another important element of the strategy is the candle time timer. It shows how much time remains until the current candle closes, helping traders choose the correct expiration time. Now let us move on to the main settings. The green arrow signals are defined by the set parameter, which is its key setting. The optimal values are in the range from 5 to 10. The stochastic oscillator parameters can be left at the default settings of 533. Its role is to indicate the direction of price momentum. Signals are formed when the fast %K line crosses the slow %D line. If this crossover occurs in the overbought zone above 80% or in the oversold zone below 20%, it additionally strengthens the trading signal. The final element of the green arrow strategy is the timer, which shows how much time remains until the candle closes. In the settings, you can choose its position on the screen, enable or disable the broker's server time display, and adjust its size and color. If you would like to learn more about signal indicators and how to apply them correctly in binary options trading, we recommend the article Radar 2022 Indicator for Binary Options. And now let us look at the rules for trading binary options using this strategy. To trade using this strategy, the trader needs to wait for a signal from the arrow indicator and confirmation from the oscillator in the lower part of the chart, and then open a trade in the indicated direction. So, to buy call options, you need to: first, a green arrow appears below the candle. Second, the green line of the stochastic oscillator is above the white line. Third, at the opening of a new candle, buy a call option. To open a put option, you need to: first, a red arrow appears above the candle. Second, the green line of the stochastic oscillator is below the white line. Third, at the opening of a new candle, buy a put option. We recommend setting the expiration time to 2 candles. However, the optimal holding period depends on the specific asset and should be selected based on the results of historical data testing. This approach will help adapt the strategy to the characteristics of the chosen instrument and improve its effectiveness. Now, a few words about the advantages and disadvantages of this strategy. Overall, green arrow does not differ much from other arrow indicators. However, this system has its own feature: a signal filter. A simple oscillator in the lower part of the screen helps traders avoid some losing trades and enter the market at the beginning of a new price impulse. Among the advantages of the strategy are the simplicity and clarity of its trading signals. It is enough to wait for the arrows to appear and compare their direction with the oscillator readings. If the signals match, a trade can be opened. Among the disadvantages are false reversal signals during strong trends. When bullish or bearish sentiment clearly dominates the market, trades against the main trend should be avoided. For more details on how to determine the market phase, read the article Identifying and Using Bullish and Bearish Trends. Overall, the green arrow binary options strategy generates numerous trading signals without repainting, and the built-in filter helps eliminate false entries, increasing the reliability and effectiveness of trading. And remember, any strategy or indicator is only a tool that requires proper use. Always test and verify the indicator on a demo account and on historical data, while following sound risk and money management principles. Choose only trusted brokers, which can be found on our website in our regularly updated ranking. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Register on our website to stay informed about the latest updates in binary options, cryptocurrency, and forex trading. Thank you for your attention. We wish everyone stable profits and disciplined trading. And to eliminate any doubts about the reliability of this indicator, we will demonstrate its performance in real time and confirm that its signals do not repaint.